Welcome to Pare Home School. Hello friends, I am Rhea. This is lesson number 9. In this lesson, we are going to learn about transportation. In this lesson, we will see what is transport and we will also see few means of transportation. So let's start. Do you know what is transport? Transport is the medium of travel from one place to another place. Transport is the medium of travel from one place to another place. Do you know why we need transport? We need transport to reach a place in short period of time. It makes our life easier. So we can go from one place to another place by walk also. But if the place is too far, then it would be difficult for us to walk that far. And for that reason, we need transport. It makes our life easier. Now we will see which are the different modes of transport. There are 3 modes of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. These are the 3 modes of transport. Now we will see all these modes one by one. First, I will tell you what is land transport. Land transport is the transport that moves on the land. The transport or the vehicle that moves on the land is called land transport. Land transport is the most common way of transportation that is used for carrying goods or people. We can also carry goods in land transport as well as land transport can carry people also. Now we will see few of the land transport. This is bicycle. Bicycle has 2 wheels which help it to move. We need to pedal the wheels by our feet to move the bicycle. This is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels to move on the land or on the road. Auto rickshaw can carry 3 passengers from one place to another place. Other than driver, auto rickshaw can carry 3 passengers from one place to another place. This is motorbike. Motorbike has 3 and 1 engine. Motorbike are bigger and faster than bicycles because bicycle we have to pedal with our legs, but motorbike run on engine, so it is faster than bicycle. This is car. Car is a vehicle that has 4 wheels and that's why we call it as four-wheeler. Car has 1 engine that helps it to move. It can carry around 4 to 5 people or passengers in it. It is also known as automobile. Car is known as automobile as well as four-wheeler. This is bus. Bus is moved by an engine or a motor. It carries many people from one place to another place. This is train. Train is very long. It has number of carriages that are all connected to each other. Train can move faster than any other land vehicle. Generally, train is good for long journey. Train can carry hundreds of passengers at a time. This is ambulance. Ambulance is a special vehicle that helps sick and injured people to get to the hospital. So whenever some accident happen on the road, we have to carry those injured people urgently to hospital. For that reason, ambulance is used. Fire engine. Fire engine is an emergency vehicle which save us from the fire. Fire engine is used by the firefighters to reach to the scene of fire. Fire engine carries firefighters as well as it carries water pump, ladder and many other important tools with it so that it can help the rescue operation. These were all land transport. Now we will see air transport. Do you know what is air transport? Air transport is the medium of transport in which people can go from one place to another place by air. Now we will see few of the air transports. This is aeroplane. Aeroplane is a transport in which people can travel to a long distance. People can travel from one place to another or even from one country to another by aeroplane. Aeroplane has two wings just like birds, and that's why it can fly in the air. Hundreds of passengers can travel in aeroplane at a time. This is helicopter. Helicopter is also an air transport just like aeroplane. Helicopter can move in any direction unlike aeroplane. Helicopter has blades which helps them to fly. Only few people can sit in helicopter. So aeroplane can move only in one direction, but helicopter can move even in backward direction. This was helicopter. Helicopter is also used for rescue operation. This is hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is colorful just like balloon and it floats in the air. We can sit inside hot air balloon and enjoy beautiful landscape around. Hot air balloon is generally used for entertainment. This is rocket. Rocket is used to launch spacecraft and missile. Rocket is the fastest air transport. This was few of the air vehicles. Now we will see what is water transport. Do you know what is water transport? Water transport is the medium of transport in which people can travel from one place to another place by water. Water transports are used to carry people and goods from one place to another place. We can even travel from one country to another country by water transport. Now we will see few of the water vehicles. This is ship. Ship is water vehicle and it can carry goods and passengers for long distance on water. This is boat. Boat is the small water vehicle which we use to travel in water. Boat can be lifted out from water easily and carried on the ship. Boat is generally used for fishing. This is yacht. Yacht is a boat that is bigger than boat. It is luxury boat which is basically used for exploration. This is submarine. Submarine is a ship that can go deep under the water. It can even float on the water. So it can go deep under the water as well as it can even float on the water. It is used by military forces or by navy people. So friends, this was all about transport. Today we have seen what is transport and what are the different modes of transport. In next video, we will learn some new topic. Till then, bye bye.